loves, it's Catty and welcome back to my channel Glam by Catty. If you are new here, welcome. I upload a new video every Sunday. As you guys can tell from the title of this week's video, I will be showing you guys another highly requested, super easy to do Valentine's look that is also affordable. And whenever I asked you guys to send me pictures of the next Valentine's look you wanted to see on my socials, I'm not kidding, like 80% of you sent the same picture. And I just thought it was so funny because this is the go-to makeup that I usually do on clients that they always ask for and want. Also, I will be using two different palettes for this look, the Morphe 35C Everyday Chic palette and just a hot pink shade from the Morphe 24A Artist Pass palette. So I will also be showing you guys swatches of the shades that you will be needing for this look if you don't own these palettes. We're just going to skip doing my base to save some time and also because you guys have seen me do it so much. So let's get you guys zoomed in and started with this eyeshadow. This is the easy and affordable Valentine's Day glam I will be showing you guys how to recreate with this glossy lip that matches. Everything will also be listed in the description box and it is all affordable products. And if you don't own these palettes, that's completely fine. Just use similar shades that match. I will be using 5 shades from the Morphe 35C palette and only the hot pink from the Morphe 24A Artist Pass. And these are the swatches of the shades that you will need for this look. I went on ahead and also did one eye so you can see the final result and how it is going to look at the end. So first, let's get started with the light pink shadow on a big fluffy brush, and I'm using that as my transition shade and just blending it out all over the crease. Next, we'll be getting into this hot pink shadow on a small definer brush and placing it also in the crease, but staying lower than that transition, just to deepen it up and add some depth. You have that hot pink shadow all built up like so. We're going back in with that fluffy brush that we used for our transition and just blending out any edges so nothing's harsh. Now after all your edges are blended out and there's no harsh lines, we're taking some concealer on a flat concealer brush and cutting our crease. And y'all ignore my furry brows. I know they are freaking hairy, but I cannot touch them, and I will let y'all know more soon about what I am going to do. Next, we're going in with that deep burgundy mauve shade and packing it on the outer half corner of the eye. Once that's all packed on, now we're going to take that light pink shimmer shadow and pack it on the center of the lid, going into the burgundy mauve shadow to get a nice transition. After that's all packed on, we're taking this icy white shimmer shadow and packing it on the very inner corner. Now it's time for some glitter, so I'm getting that pressed glitter pigment and packing it on the center of the lid. And I really wanted to intensify the glitter, so next I'm going to be taking some glitter glue and applying it to the center on top of that. That way we can add this In My Ex Glitter Brilliance in the shade Rose. It's just a loose glitter pigment and it'll really intensify it. These glitters are freaking bomb and very affordable. Next, we're going to take that hot pink shadow and smoke out the lower lash line. After your lower lash line is all smoked out, we're going to get back into that icy white shadow and apply it to the inner corner as our highlight and our brow bone. Now I'm going to add a black eyeliner to my waterline using this Milani Supreme Kohl liner in the shade Very Black, and it's one of my favorite eyeliners to use. Next, I'm going to draw a little wing using this NYX Epic Ink Liner. It is one of my favorite liners to draw a wing. Y'all know my eyes are very sensitive, and this does not make it water or anything. I just start by drawing a line out and then connecting it, and yeah, get my wing. After I have the wing, I'm going to apply a quick coat of mascara. My favorite one is this Wet&Wild Mega Length because it's waterproof and grabs every hair. And I'm just applying a quick coat on my lashes before I pop on a pair of falsies. I've been loving this Kiss Lash Glue Liner in black, and I just apply it to my line where I did my eyeliner and just pop on that lash, and it's affordable and really does work. Then just coating my bottom lashes with that same Mega Length mascara. And that is the completed eye look. Next is lips, and I'm using this lip combo right here. It's the Dragun Beauty Dragon Glass Liquid Lip in the shade Nikita, along with this Victoria's Secret Get Glossed Lip Gloss. This combo is just the perfect mauve nude gloss lip. It's very long lasting and not sticky at all and feels very lightweight. And it just matches this eye look perfectly, and yeah, I just have been loving this combo, and that is it for this tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Also, don't forget, if you recreate this look, don't forget to send it to me on my socials for a chance to be featured on my channel. So that completes this super easy and affordable Valentine's Day look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give this video a like. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And also don't forget to drop a comment down below on what other look or video you guys want to see next. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!